Hi everyone, this broken pocket watch is perfect for this craft of how to make the tracking device from the promised Neverland that mom uses. When mom looks like she's checking the time, when she opens up her, it looks like a watch, she's really looking at a little grid that shows the little dots that are lit up of where the kids are. That's how she's able to find them so fast every time, no matter where they're hiding. So this is my first time I'm taking apart a watch. I just used a butter knife to try to pry it open and be really careful because if you slip, even though it's a butter knife, it might be able to cut you. And so now I'm just figuring out how to take out all of the insides so I can put in a new picture and put in like a little battery operated light. I got this pocket watch a while back on eBay for like $1, and I think it's more of a decoration, that's why it didn't really work. So I got all the insides out. Now it's time to work on what I will use to light the inside up. I don't have a lot of space because it's pretty small, but I do have this tea light here. I'm going to unscrew it and try to figure out if I can use the inside here, if it's small enough to use into this craft project. And I have a paper down there that I tried to make a little practice grid, and my hands are a little white because I was using some paint, but I didn't like how it was coming out. So here is how the inside of one of these tea lights work. So now I just need to figure out how to get this plastic off so that I can just get the wires, the light, and the little on and off switch all by itself. I'm using these wire cutters to cut away that plastic. The real name of this device is called Whisk Snips, and I had this from a project that I did a while ago where I had to cut some chicken wire to make a chicken coop, and they can cut through like anything. So here is the battery in the device. I gotta find a way that I can make this little light turn on. It looks like all I have to do is have each part of the metal touch the battery, and the battery has to be in a certain direction. So this is the old grid I made, and it didn't come out right because I made the lines too close together and I tried to paint them. So now I'm going to use it a different way and use a Sharpie and paint. So I'm just going to draw the grid lines with the Sharpie, and then I'll paint the map with a little black thin paintbrush and some black acrylic paint. And then I'm going to use a thumbtack to poke 3 holes. And after I make the holes with the thumbtacks, I'm going to poke a little tiny screwdriver through it. This way the holes are wide enough so that we can see the light pass through after it's all assembled. Now I'm going to paint the map, and I have a really thin paintbrush here. After the painting dries, you want to put a little hot glue or something that will help to keep this grid in place so it doesn't shake around or move once it's inside of the pocket watch. So I used a masking tape so I can press down the little wire that connects to the light bulb and to the on and off switch. I taped it down and wrapped it really good so it's really connected. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it back in here. I wish I could have like a little hole in the back so I can have access to the on and off switch. But when I want to turn this off, I'm going to have to just use my little butter knife to open it again to turn it off. Hopefully one day I can get like a little drill so I can make projects like this much better. And here's how it looks when the lights are turned off. I didn't realize that the paper that I cut a circle on had a little bit of writing so you can see some of the letters. I thought I would have a blue gem for this project, but I didn't have one, so I used my daughter's little Elsa ring that she never wears. It came with an Elsa doll I bought, and I just cut off the two end parts that make it a ring, and I'm gluing it on. So it's a little bit in a snowflake shape, but the one from the show just has a big plain gem on it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I wish it did have a little hole in the back so I could turn the light on and off much easier, but this will have to do for now. I'll put it on a necklace, and if you like how this came out and you like The Promised Neverland, please subscribe and check out our videos where we do reviews of season 2.
Hi from Mom.
What is a robot?
I know, hi.
I hope she doesn't find me.
Hope she doesn't find me.
I wonder where those kids could be hiding. Time to look at my tracking device. No problem. I'll find them right now. Got you! Hello!
Find me so fast.
Who's under here? Hi!
Do you know where I always am?
I don't know. Because I'm mom, and moms always know everything. Got you! Uh-oh, it's time for your adoption day.
Oh.